Buddy, this is you got the look by Shalu, and today I'm showing you Usha Genome Wonder Stitch Plus automatic sewing machine. This is the second version of this machine, and it has got 36 stitch functions. It has many decorative like straight, zigzag, and embroidery stitches and many other decorative stitches which I'll be showing you in my future videos. So you'll be learning a lot about this. So this is the packaging of Wonder Stitch Plus.